Katie here, and welcome to my channel. Hey, how are you doing today? I hope you're doing well. I'm crouched over far more than I want to be. When I envisioned the framing of this video, I thought it'd be more like not crouched over. I thought my oven was much taller than this, but hi, how are you? I hope you're doing well. I'm making caramel syrup. It's on my list of things to food prep, and right now I have 8 ounces of sugar in this pan, and I thought we'd just do a little chat and sugar stir. I don't 100% know how long this is going to take. I've made caramelized sugar before, but I've never timed it. I made hard candy. I had like this kit, this science kit from maybe like a book fair, right? I think it was like Klutz or something, and it came with all the stuff, like flavoring, lollipop sticks, a lollipop mold. It was cool. I have a little bit of experience making hard candies and stuff, but it's gotten to the point where I just kind of do stuff unscientifically about it. I do need to scrape this off. Sugar is delicioso. I don't know what that was. But anyways, I have this over medium heat, and I'm making caramel syrup for my coffee. This is a continuation of the food prep kitchen shenanigans of last video. I slept well. I slept too well. I burnt my quiche. You guys, I woke up. I ate this. I was able to eat the center of it, but this crust, guys, this crust is so burnt. I am so sad. Luckily for me, I got crust in my syrup. Like, right there. Oh, I got crust on my fingers. There's a hair in it too. Oh my gosh, there's so much going on. But I mean, basically, when is there never not? Those are words. What is going on? I forgot what I was saying now and everything. When is there not? Okay, that piece of crust is gonna stay in there. That is a big piece of crust. I forgot what I was talking about. I started thinking about the sugar that I use. It looks caramelized already, but it's not. I promise, it's just melting. But it's because I use Zolka pure cane sugar, and it's not pure white, right? So that's a thing. Anyways, I was talking about the quiche. Oh, right. Luckily, I decided to experiment with making my egg in my quiche even more, what's the word? Silky, I guess? More custard-like. And I set the temperature on my oven for 325 instead of 350. So I didn't burn my house down, luckily. And the quiche was still edible in the center. The top was super burnt too, but not to a point where it was like activated charcoal, basically. So I was able to eat that. But that being said, I'm ecstatic to say I have extra of my quiche filling. Tasty, so good, so delicious. And I also have a little baby mini toddler-sized pie pan. So I'm making another quiche, hopefully in the morning. But right now I have that. Ooh, this is where I need to be very, very careful. It is all melted now. Actually, I think I might turn this down before it burns. And actually, I need 8 ounces of hot water. I decided to go with hot water because I didn't want to deal with any like seizing of the sugar. Oh, that's 9 ounces. That's 100% 9 ounces. Okay, let's see. Does that work? I think a little bit. That's 8.39. I think a little bit less than 8 ounces will be fine as well. That's 876. This is okay. Ooh, 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 ooh. I think we're burning. I think it's time. I think we're burning. Ah! Holy crap! I think this is burnt sugar. I'm almost positive. But that's what caramelization is. It's burnt sugar. It smells kind of good. Doesn't smell the worst. Anyways. That was mildly terrifying. I think I'm supposed to let this simmer down. I don't know. I don't know. I wish I had more sea salt, but right now, why do I've been using this. It needs to be tossed. Or the container reused for something. I don't know yet. Right now, I have iodized salt. So I'm going to put like a teaspoon, just a scant little teaspoon. Ooh, in there. Stir that up a tad. And yeah, I'm gonna have to let this simmer down. Maybe not simmer down. And the other question is, do I want to make this caramel sauce? Because I made another quiche crust, I have some melted butter right here, but I don't have cream, so I think it's just going to stay as syrup. And then the other question is, do I want to put anything else in it? Because, oh my gosh, there's so much sugar on the side of this pan. I have vanilla. I don't know if mint's going to work well with it, but I also have almonds. Good old Ollie's coming through on those. But also, like, I could put a cinnamon stick in this. Salted cinnamon caramel syrup? Oh, gosh. I just got it all over my face. I'm fine. I'm fine. I've been in the kitchen a lot. It's not boiling. It's not hot oil. I'm fine. Golly. I might have some red marks on my cheek for a couple days. There's this one particular piece of, let's see if I can show you, of sugar right there. You can see it. It's that little white piece. I wanted to try and get that off, but today does not seem to be the day for that. Oh, everything happening all at once. Good thing. I have a pack of peas. I won't have to hold it on there for long. It doesn't hurt that bad. It's really not that hot. It's barely even simmering. I just want to make sure afterburn care, you know? It's crucial in life. I should also probably stop holding my face so close to this now. That was not a precaution I was expecting to take. I didn't even think that through. That was dangerous. That was not cool. That was, a lot. My face already doesn't even hurt though. So, that's cool. I'm gonna go. All that's left for this is to cool it down and put it in a container. I think it lasts like a week or two, and then I can even keep it on my counter. I don't even have to keep it in the fridge, I think. I don't know. I'm gonna keep it on my counter, see what happens, because I don't want it doing things to my coffee, like cooling the coffee down from being in the fridge. Anyways, I hope that you have a lovely time wherever you're at. I promise I'm fine. My hand isn't even hurt. You can see it's got like that dark sugar spot right there. I promise I'm fine. I've gotta go. Bye.